This is the HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can enable, manage and use the keyboard clipboard on this device. So first of all, let's go ahead and launch the keyboard. In here at the top part you'll be able to find this little icon that stands for the clipboard itself. If the icon is not present at the top part of the keyboard, you gotta simply click on this 3 horizontal dots, and well, at the expanded options menu it will be for sure. Next, in order to activate the clipboard you gotta simply turn on the switch. If you would like to add any element to the clipboard, you gotta basically copy anything. So I'll just copy this word, custom word should I say, and once I get back to my clipboard I'll see that it has been added as the most recent element. And from here, all the elements you have, just tap on them, and the chosen element, the element that you clicked on, will be pasted into whatever typing bar or typing space you have launched the keyboard from, or keyboard with. Finally, if you would like to remove any of the elements of your clipboard, you just gotta tap on this little pencil icon, then select what particular elements you would like to get rid of, and then tap on the trash bin. That would be it. So, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your attention, and bye-bye.